In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Email Octopus to send bulk email. By the end, you will have your contacts imported, a campaign created, and your email sent to the right list. As you follow along, take your time and double-check details like spelling and list selection, because small mistakes can affect deliverability and how professional your email looks. Start by importing your contacts. In Email Octopus, click Import, then upload your CSV file of contacts. Before you upload, it helps to make sure your CSV is clean and organized. For example, keep one contact per row, and use clear column headers like first name and email. Also, remove duplicates if you can, because sending multiple emails to the same address can lead to complaints and lower engagement. Once the file is uploaded, confirm the fields map correctly, especially the email column, since that is required for sending. Next, go to Campaigns. Click Create, then choose Regular. This sets you up for a standard broadcast email to a list, which is what most bulk email sends are. Now fill in the main campaign details. Enter a subject line that clearly matches the message inside the email. Then add your sender name, which is the name recipients will see in their inbox. Finally, enter the sender email address you want to send from. Make sure it is an address you monitor, since replies and delivery notices may go there. After that, select the list you want to email. This is an important moment, because the list determines who receives your campaign. Choose carefully, then click Save, and Next to move forward. Now you will pick a template. Select a template that matches your goal, then edit the content. Keep your formatting simple and easy to scan. If you use personalization fields, verify they match your imported columns, so names and other details display correctly. Also, proofread for typos and broken links before moving on. When your email looks right, click Save and Next. This brings you to the final stage where you can review everything one more time, including the subject, sender details, and selected list. Finally, when you are ready to deliver the email immediately, click Send Now. And that is all there is to it.